How to cancel a scheduled payment in Wells Fargo. Let's get started. For that, first of all, you want to go ahead and simply open up Wells Fargo mobile app. But if you don't have the app, open up a browser in the search bar, search for wellsfargo.com, and then simply tap on sign on. Then sign in to your account using your password and username. Once that is done, navigate to Bill Pay section, and here you will be able to view your upcoming and recurring payments. Find the payment you want to cancel, then select Edit or Delete Payment. If it's a recurring payment, open the payment detail and look for the recurring payment option. Choose whether you would like to cancel only the next scheduled payment or stop all future recurring payments. After making a selection, you can confirm by tapping or clicking delete, and your scheduled payment will be deleted. If the payment has already been processed, you may need to place a stop payment request through Wells Fargo. For payments set up directly with merchant, such as subscription or utility bills, you will need to contact the merchant to cancel them. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.